demonstrate what's going on. Mixture is off. Clear. Brakes hold. Throttle 1/4 inch. Here we go.
Hey Charlotte, it's Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo here in Rock Hill. I was told to call back when the aircraft inbound made it on the ground. Echo Victor is on the ground, clear the runway. Are you departing runway 2? Yes, ma'am. Okay, heading 090 on departure up to 3000. We'll call you in there on 120.05. Not off at next 5. We'll call you back. See ya. Rocket traffic, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo is taking off runway 02. Okay, eastbound departure Rock Hill. All right, here we go. We get into the clouds about 600 feet. There's 60.
Rock Hill traffic, taking 02 Alpha 1 for runway inspection, Rock Hill.
$600.
Caps is available and we're in the clouds. Rocket traffic, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echoes turning eastbound off departure into runway 02, calling Charlotte. Charlotte approach, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo 1500 Alpha Rock Hill.
Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo, Charlotte departure, ident, Charlotte altimeter 29908.
Ident 29908, 1 Hotel Echo.
Number 1 Hotel Echo, you ready to contact 2 miles north of Rock Hill? I show you 1,800. What approach would you like at Monroe? And advise when you have the weather there.
We're going to take the RNAV 23, and we do have the weather for Monroe, 1 Hotel Echo.
1 Hotel Echo, roger.
That's a thin layer.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Echo, now heading 100.
100, 1 Hotel Echo.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Echo, fly heading 050.
0501 Hotel Echo.
Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport.
Automated weather observation 1249er Zulu. Wind 260 at 06. Visibility 10. Light rain. Sky condition overcast 900. Temperature 24 Celsius. 2.23 Celsius. Altimeter 29er 6.
Maintain 9,000. Cirrus 1 Hotel Echo, turn right heading of 100.
1001 Hotel Echo.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Echo, fly heading 180.
1801 Hotel Echo.
Cirrus 1 Hotel Echo, you're about 3 miles from Eli, turn right heading 200, maintain 3,000. To establish on Post 70 approach, you're cleared RNAV runway 23.
Heading 200, cleared for the RNAV 23 and to Monroe 1 Hotel Echo.
3552 Whiskey, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000 for 3552 Whiskey.
Hotel Echo, in the event of a missed approach, once you just fly runway heading, climb and maintain 3,000 and just return this frequency.
Okay, runway heading up to 3,000 in the mist, 1 Hotel Echo.
1 Hotel Echo, change to advisory frequency approved.
Order advisory, 1 Hotel Echo. Monroe traffic, Cirrus now 1 Hotel Echo, inbound on F23.
Altitude.
Monroe traffic, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo, 2 mile final, inbound on F23. Monroe traffic, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo, short final 23. Runway is in sight. Short approach, Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo, Monroe's in sight, we're going to cancel IFR.
Cirrus 911 Hotel Echo, IFR cancellation received, squawk 1200, radar service terminated, frequency changes approved. See ya.
VFR and advisory, 1 Hotel Echo, see ya.
Minimums.
Continuing. Nice. Motor traffic, there's 911 Hotel Echo, is exiting runway 23, Alpha 3, Alpha to Airwood Ramp, Monroe. All right, not too bad. All right, guys, so dropping the plane off for some service today. It'll probably be here for a couple of days. Seems to have trouble starting when it's super cold, so maybe they'll adjust the fuel flow on it.